everyone, and welcome back to Parlez Pals. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to start a series of videos on letter combinations. So hopefully you have watched my alphabet video and you are well acquainted with how the alphabet is pronounced in French. To find the full series of letter combinations in French, you can go to the playlist. It will be linked down in the description, in the iCard, or you can just find it on the channel. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. So we're going to start with a consonant combination, and we're going to start with the consonant combination of P and H. P and H in French is similar to an F sound in English. F, f. As you might know, the H in the French language is always silent, but when it's paired up with the P, it does become the F sound. Here's an example, one that you will see in almost every village, town, city, sometimes multiple of them. Pharmacie. 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 Here are a few other examples using the PH in words. Un dauphin. Un dauphin. Une phrase. Une phrase. L'alphabet. L'alphabet. Un téléphone. Un téléphone. Un éléphant. Un éléphant. And here's one of my favourite French words. You might understand why when I pronounce it. Un phoque. Un phoque. I hope this video helped you to understand how to pronounce the PHs in French words. If this video helped you in any way, please let me know down in the comments, and actually in the comments write out a word with PH in it. Thank you so much for listening and watching. I will see you in my next video, and in the next episode in this series we will be going over CH words. So why not comment a few of those down as well that I can use as examples. Thank you so much. I will see you then. Merci beaucoup. À bientôt.